it out. Get it and pull it out. Oop.
You're going to have to rip
Pull
it.
hard. Now try. Now try. Pull it out. Now pull that. Pull it out.
Pull it. Get it.
Pull it out.
Get it.
No, this. Take it out.
Get it.
Yay!
What is it?
Mine.
What is it?
Yours. What is it?
I don't know. That's Dora.
Uh-huh. Dora.
Look it.
What's Dora on? What is that?
A pen.
Uh-huh.
Ah, and what's this?
Yes.
This is
Sure.
jammies.
Jammies for night time when they go to bedtime. You can wear those. Yay!
Thank you,
Dora
Grandma and
jammies!
Grandpa.
Yay!
There's
Want
more, guys.
another one?
That's not
Okay.
what I was expecting. I want toys.
Let's see what else we
Smile.
got here. Any specific thing, guys?
Just grab one.
This one.
I'll wait for that one till last since it's
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
okay.
From Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, turn it over and tear. And tear. Here, pull right there. Pull hard. Whoop. More. You do it.
Open, baby. Open.
Pull
Both
hard.
hands.
Yay!
You should give it to her, Mom. Let her do it.
Here, you do it.
She'll do it.
Use both hands.
Both
we'll
hands.
put Tinker over here so she can watch.
That's letter.
There's
Okay?
letters.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You're smart, because you really can't see much yet.
There's letters for me.
Yeah. Open, open, open. Just tear it up. Tear it up. Get it out. She just likes pulling off little
Yep.
piece. Another little piece.
I'm trying to whip it.
Yeah.
You're funny.
This one on the couch. This one. This one. I whip. Look at other A.
Oh, look
Lots
at
of
all those
letters.
letters.
Yay.
Yeah.
And what's that one? Is that numbers?
Yeah.
Numbers and letters, and
Numbers
guess
and
what?
letters?
This one.
Those get to go on the refrigerator so you could play on the refrigerator. Magnets.
You open this?
We'll open in a little bit. You want another present?
More presents?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a minute.